What's up, guys? So electronic products and liquids do not go hand in hand, and oftentimes if you spill water onto the keyboard, usually that will be the end of that gadget. But if you follow the steps that I'm going to show you in this video, you might be able to save your gadget after you've spilled water or any liquid onto it. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if this is your first time coming to this channel, be sure to go down there and click on subscribe so that you'll see all our future videos. So just after spilling water onto your keyboard, the first thing is to switch off your computer. So press the power button until your computer is off. Don't worry about switching it off the right way. Just press the power button until it turns off. And after that, remove all cables and peripheral devices. So start with the power cable if your computer is on charger, and also any other cables that will be connected to your computer. Okay, now that our computer is off and we have removed all our peripheral cables, using a smooth clean cloth, wipe off all liquid that will be on top of the keyboard softly. Do it gently. And then after that, turn your computer upside down so that you'll be able to remove your battery. Do it gently. Now let's remove the battery. And while we are doing all this, avoid shaking your computer. Do not shake your computer, because if you shake it, the water will flow into other parts of your computer. So avoid shaking the computer too much. And then from now, put your computer in a tense position like this. Just open it slightly, and then you leave it for about 12 to 24 hours in this position, so that all the water that will be inside will flow going downwards. And then leave it for about 12 hours to 24 hours. And after our 12 to 24 hours, now you can put your computer in this way, and then just wipe off the liquid that will be here, because all the liquid that was inside will come to the edges. So you just wipe softly with a clean cloth this side as well. All right, and then from there now, let's try to turn our guy on. So we start with the battery only. So you take your battery and then put it back gently. And then from there now, you can try switching off your computer. And if it doesn't turn on after pressing the power button, do not force it. Just close it gently and go to the nearest computer shop so that an expert will look at your computer so that you'll be able to fix if there is any. And just an extra tip, do not use rice to dry your computer. It will not help you in any way. What it will do is it will just add more work when you're trying to remove all the rice that will be in your computer. And also the hair dryer. The hair dryer has static electricity that might affect components in your computer. So those two do not touch. So this is it, guys. Those are the things that you can do to save your gadget just after you have spilled liquid onto your keyboard or any other electronic gadget. So don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you have liked this video. And if this was your first time coming to this channel, go down there and click on subscribe so that you see all our future videos. Bye for now, and see you on our next video.